What if I told you your particle size analysis process could be improved? Most people think a test sieve is all you need, but a lot of times there's accessories that are needed to take it to the next level. So, what are they? Stick around and I'll tell you everything that you need to know. Hi, I'm Candace Blaker and I'm the Product Manager for Particle Size Analysis here at WS Tyler. The world of particle size analysis is constantly changing. And in order to keep up with the demands of customers and increasing regulations, you have to be on the cutting edge of any test sieve analysis. And if you fail to do this, it could lead to the production of a lackluster product that hinders your brand's ability to grow. So, to keep your process up to date, it's best to explore the many different test sieve accessories on the market. And WS Tyler has helped customers spanning dozens of industries to obtain the best possible particle analysis results for over 150 years. And is here to ensure you make the most of your test sieve analysis operation. With that, this video will cover sieve covers and collection pans, ultrasonic sieve shakers, cleaning brushes, glass beads, sieving aids, static prevention, and sample splitters. The test sieve cover and collection pan are both standard test sieve analysis accessories. The test sieve cover sits on top of your sieve stack and is used to prevent any material loss while sieving. The collection pan sits on the bottom of your sieve stack and is used to collect any fine particles that make their way through all of the sieves in the stack. Although they're standard items, you may not require them depending on the sieve shaker that you're using. For example, suppose you're using an electromagnetic sieve shaker like the Rotap E. In that case, a cover is built into the equipment itself and automatically covers the sieve stack when inserted. But if you're hand sieving or conducting a wet sieve analysis, both the cover and pan are needed. An ultrasonic test sieve cleaner is a compact and portable device specially designed to provide a safe and effective means for cleaning your test sieves. The cleaner operates on a 110-volt 60-cycle current to create the vibrations in the cleaning fluid bath. This is what promotes the dislodging of contaminants from both the sieve frame and the media. Ultrasonic sieve cleaners can be used on most sieves and should be utilized when working with material that often becomes sticky. But whatever material is being removed, a mild detergent should be used. Cleaning brushes are tools made specifically for the cleaning and upkeep of all of your test sieves. Available with either brass or nylon bristles, they won't damage or hinder the performance or quality of your sieve when used correctly. That said, brass bristle brushes are recommended for use on a mesh count of 100 mesh or coarser. If you have a mesh count finer than 100 mesh, a nylon bristle brush should be used to prevent the fine wires from being damaged. But regardless, when using a cleaning brush, it's recommended that you start from underneath the sieve, brushing in a circular motion. A material splitter will divide your particles into two identical size samples. This is usually done when your sample is too large to be tested. Using the sample splitter is a straightforward and quick process. Pour your material into the top of the splitter. Be sure that you pour the material from the right side to the left as evenly as possible. Glass beads are tiny spherical glass particles that are traceable and calibrated. They're used as a means of quality control that verifies the accuracy of your operation in-house. This is possible because the beads will correspond to the sieves in your stack. For example, if you obtain a sample of 100 mesh beads, the bead sample will contain some beads that won't make it past the 100 mesh sieve and some that will pass through. This provides lab technicians with a sense of test sieve certification without the need to send your sieves to an outside service. Sieving aids are peripherals that are used to facilitate the test sieve analysis process. For example, when you're sieving hard-to-sieve material, some lab technicians place small rubber balls throughout the sieve stack. This helps break down heavily agglomerated material, allowing the particles to pass through the stack. Having said that, you should be very careful when implementing sieve aids. You have to make sure that the sieves aren't overloaded. Overloading your sieves can lead to skewed results, and in some cases, damaged sieve mesh. Certain materials, like pigments and paint, often create static when being tested. So to prevent static from causing inconsistencies in your results, lab technicians can add materials like Burgess clay to help absorb the static. If you want to implement it into your process, you should only add a small amount of the Burgess clay to your sample. You'll also want to weigh your representative sample before and after adding any anti-static material to ensure you produce accurate results. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific requests. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Candace, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.